What's up, guys?
It's Mike.
And it's T, and this is Cooking with Mike and T. So, you know, maybe you're like me, you didn't get to go to your state fair this year.
Or maybe you like me, just want to make a funnel cake.
Yeah, maybe you're like Mike and you just want to get some of your carnival favorites. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a funnel cake at home. So first of all, we need you to hit that big thumbs up and like this video. And go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button so you can be subscribed to the channel. Okay guys, so first things first, your ingredients.
Jamana.
We're going to use pancake mix. And you're also going to need some oil. You know, how can you make funnel cakes with no oil?
Exactly.
We got canola oil. I heard this is the best oil to use when making funnel cakes. You know, I usually use vegetable oil, but they said canola oil or peanut oil. So today we're going to be using canola oil. You cannot forget the powdered sugar.
You can't forget.
What's a funnel cake without powdered sugar?
Exactly.
We're going to use this, but she actually cuts, we're going to cut this off so we can get the thick look. But that's everything that you need. Oh, and you can't forget, you need a pan to fry it in, of course. Okay, first things first, guys, is go ahead and pour your oil in your skillet.
Yeah.
And you're going to want to turn it on to like a medium heat, maybe like 6 or 7. Ours don't have numbers, so we're just going to put it in the middle of low and high. And we're going to let that warm up while we're mixing the pancake.
Okay, so now we're about to mix the pancake mix. I would have thought it would have been in the bag, but okay.
I did too.
One cup.
We're gonna add 3/4 cups of water. You can add water to get it to the thickness that you like. So we're just gonna try that much first. Okay guys, so we got the pancake mix already. You can show it to me. Got that already, so we're gonna pour it in a measuring cup so we can get it in here so that we can get some goodies. Alright. Gonna pour it in here. As you can hear, the canola oil is ready back there. It's popping. I don't even have to do the test to make sure it's ready. Okay guys, so we got the mix already and made up in here. So next, I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully.
See what happens.
Look at this. It said do it like this. Ooh, 8. Ooh. Oh lordy. Got a little something going on.
Maybe.
Okay, we might look this something right there. Okay guys, so we get ready to flip.
If you can flip it. Ah, it's
Oh,
burnt.
that first one not so good.
First one not so shabby.
This part got stuck to the bottom, so we gotta be quicker. Yeah. But you know, your first one always don't turn out right, but I think I got it now. I gotta. And it's kind of small. I sit it on a paper towel, let the grease drain before we put the powdered sugar. But we're gonna try again. We're gonna try again. It looks better.
It don't look better after grease.
Audio Jungle.
Wow.
So we are done. We got a good looking one. It smells good. But you know, you cannot forget your powdered sugar. I'm trying to do it softly. I hope the light don't fly.
Thanks.
You should go. Close up to you guys. Get y'all a little close up. It smells good. It looks good, but you know, it all comes down to the
Taste test.
So let's go ahead and take a taste.
Big taste test. Got these, you know I was getting. Ooh. Ooh.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Dang, got on my shirt. It's good.
Tasty.
A few crunchy pieces, but also they're soft in the middle, like the fair.
So you at the fair. You're at the carnival right now.
This is the Mike and T Carnival.
Ooh.
It's Matt. Okay guys, so I will give this a big thumbs up because it was a success. This is our first time doing it. Hopefully you can now make your own funnel cakes at home. If you, like I said, maybe you haven't been to your state fair or carnival like me, or maybe you're just craving funnel cakes like mine.
And on the budget.
Yeah, on the budget.
You're gonna spend $10 for it at the fair. So.
True. And you're only gonna get one. And 3. The first one was y'all seen in the video. But we really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment any recipes that you would like to see us make down below in the comments. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that big red subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified every time we upload a video. And we hope you guys enjoyed it. And we will catch y'all in our next video. Bye.